In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Apps. In order to access this option called Freeform Windows. Then make sure that the switcher is blue and go back. Now to use pop-up view, open one of your apps and access it in the background. Now click on the icon of it at the top and select Freeform. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To close it, click on this X at the top right corner. To minimize it, you can always click on this little line. And to use it in full screen view, on this icon of a rectangle and a line. If you want to, you can also click on this arrow at the top left corner to go back. To disable pop-up view completely, use this switcher next to Use Freeform Windows. And to turn it back on, hit it again. This time though, you need to tap on Reboot now. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!